Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'm going to be letting you know the best way to clean and maintain the Manns Extra Tough interior varnish. This really couldn't be easier, so let's jump straight in. For regular cleaning, use the Manns Antibacterial Cleaner Spray. Just turn the nozzle, spray and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Easy. For marks, scuffs and deeper stains, again, use the Manns Premier Anti-bac Cleaner Spray. Just spray, leave it a little bit longer before wiping away. The maintenance cycle of a varnish is roughly 5 to 10 years, depending on traffic or use. When it does come to requiring maintenance, you can't really patch repair a varnish, so it's time to dig out the sander and start again. Who doesn't love a bit of a refresh? If you need any further technical advice or information on your project, why not give us a call or email and put us to the test? We are the experts after all. A full list of the products used in this video will be linked in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content, and as always do a test area.